So I made this cute birdhouse slash feeder. For a Christmas present. I had to do some touch up so the paint's still wet. Here's the lower entrance. Goes all the way through, like the ears. So it's a duplex. There's the upstairs entrance, back door. Put this door on here slash clean out so you can clean it in the spring. So they'll be able to move in there and come down here and eat. Not a bad deal. Turned out pretty good. I hope she likes it. This person I'm giving it to loves birds. So that'll house 2 birds. Like my cow print freezer. Alright then, later.